I always like to share something cool, and this is one of them. So this here is the ModRetro M64. I bought this one. I believe this is a clear, transparent one, and I got this as an early bird special because I was in the wish list, and I also got myself a bunch of new games here, so pretty good ones. I love the packaging on these. Jesus, look how cool this looks. I'm actually very excited to try this. I also even bought a few more games here. Have a few more games on the side. I also have the analog 3D there for comparison. But just in case too, I also have a N64 right here with a shiny retro gem installed. So just in case I want to do a full-on comparison, I might switch between, but right now what I want to do is I actually want to unbox this, and I am going to do this quick because Facebook doesn't allow me to do long-form videos. So I'm going to pause this real quick so I can open this and do flawless transitions. First things first, I don't like this because it just really makes the packaging look like a once-off, so it's whatever. All right. Security system disengaged. Alright, that sounds freaking cool. But the question is, how do I open this without breaking? Oh, okay, cool. Look how awesome that looks. Warning, this system is so awesome it may blow your mind. Oh my god, Palmer Lucky. What did you do? Let's see if I can push this. Hold on, I might need two hands for this. Alright, like magic. Alright, cool. Now let's look at the main packaging here. And honestly, it kind of looks similar to the analog and with the black box and everything, but a lot of detail. Really cool. Really retro box. I'm definitely going to keep this, but now I want to see what's inside. Okay, this was really a bitch to take out, but alright, here it is. Oh, look at that. Actually, that looks really cool. Let me see if I can pull it up a bit with the plastic. Alright. I know I have to update it eventually, but this is so cool. I love how it looks. I also bought matching controllers for it, so I'm going to actually go ahead real quick. I'm going to put this one back. I'm going to open this guy. I'm going to do it quick too. See, this is what I mean by taking these tabs off. This could happen. I fucking hate that. Alright, cool. I got this cleaned up. Let's see. And it's the same style of packaging, just like this one. Alright, this is going to take me a minute. Okay, box design. Yep. Matches. Very closely matches. You can see right here. Look at that. I think it's pretty cool. Alright. I'm going to... How do I open this? Do I open it from this side? Huh. Alright, well, we'll find out. Give me a minute. Alright, never mind. You open it from this side. Hold on. Fuck. Bam, the power of editing. Alright, and bam. Huh. Ooh, this looks... Holy crap, this feels great. This feels great. Huh. Alright, cool. Let's take a look. So this is the battery compartment. How do I take this out? Oh, hold on. It's a rechargeable battery. I believe they told me if I want to use AA, I can also go for the AA. They said right here, they give you a little nice pan flip. But overall, I think this unboxing experience is a good... I wouldn't call it a 10 out of 10. This was a pain in the ass to take out of the box, but so far, this was easy to open. The outer boxing, this looks disposable, but honestly, I wish it was better done so that it can close these tabs instead of ripping those tabs out. But there's also the internal packaging looks great. Yeah, I think that's about it. I'm probably just gonna keep it this way. I'm also gonna look into these, but I'll probably not do it in the same video because I actually want to keep the packaging for these. These look freaking great. Look at the art style. Oof, looks great. But first thing I'm gonna do is run these, update it, test these games out. Supposedly this works on N64 as well, so I'm going to also see if these work with the analog 3D, and then maybe I'll do some comparisons. But yeah, it's pretty cool, pretty cool. Can't wait to try it out.